Jimmy Keller, foreman from Pacific. We are at the Haapa new fishing dock in Woodland, Washington. We're doing Micropiles. It was a great crew. They did a fantastic job. A lot of run and work. You got to depend on your crew. You got to learn to be a team player. We can't do it all on our own. And even as a foreman, you got to rely on your crew. The crew has to rely on each other. They really made it happen. Just drilling 19 feet into bedrock, a little tricky. It was a little hard. Our tolerances were really small compared to normal. I mean, we had a 1-inch tolerance on the piers. Definitely one of the harder parts. And anytime you're near the water with fish, and there was a lot of worry with the water. I mean, there was somebody testing the water upstream, downstream, and we literally drilled 2 feet away from the water's edge. So it was a little difficult there. As a foreman, we get expectations put on us, and I try to exceed those expectations. It's not always possible, and I just like to have a good time and get shit done. Treat people the way I'd want to be treated and give them respect, and ensuring they give respect back because they push for you. And I got Corey Perrin overseeing everything, so he's been a lot of help, and their crew been successful.